Morning, ladies and gents. We literally changed our room around. I'll show you like later on the vlog. But got speaker. PS4 is running by that stereo. Oh, no network. Oh fuck. It's gonna be fun. Once again, good morning to your faces. Once again, we're looking at another new Syndicate original Raw design. Whilst the wife is playing Call of Duty Hardcore Team Deathmatch.
Today.
She's got
My new gun is a Capitan.
yeah, we're gonna I think we're going to her best friend's tonight because her best friend ran money and we're treating us for a takeaway, so we're gonna takeaway. I think it's gonna be Chinese and I can't wait for it. And I'm just woken up.
No.
I'm not just woken up, it's like
I don't want Chinese.
oh fuck you. It's 2 now, but we woke up about 11 o'clock, and yeah, we've been playing PS4 and I've only literally just got dressed, so she's still lazy in her pyjamas,
Yeah.
but I've only just got dressed, so let's see what happens, I guess. I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing today, guys, but for Christmas I got the PS4 camera. I've already had a little look at it, but it's a little unboxing. The reason why I got this is because I want to try and try the live streams to put the camera on as well as the audio. Yeah, let's have a little look. Right, that literally just looks like instructions, which I can't be asked to read. That looks like the stand for it or something. Yeah, probably. And here is the camera itself. Let's have a little look at it inside. I'm actually not taking it out of the packaging yet, but can you... Oh, very nice. I take it it's just like a USB sort of thing. Yep, USB. Plug back in there. And I'm guessing that literally just sits on there. Oh Christ, this moves as well. Oh crap. Shit.
Oh, I keep killing my own team.
I don't even know. Minor noise in the background, that's the fiance just playing yeah. That's the fiance playing some things, but I'm guessing that's how you do it. And you can just take it off willy-nilly as you want. But one thing I'm trying to sort of like, I'm struggling to find out in a gist of, is how the fuck you, oh, I think you just bend it like that.
I think I've got 5 kills.
Not sure, but yeah, definitely give it a go tonight. I'm not going to live stream tonight, but I'm definitely going to give this a go, see how it works.
Definitely.
The wife can go fuck herself.
Hey.
Ripping off the new plastic bits, but yeah, it looks very nice. Required for PlayStation VR. Oh.
Can we just get a picture of my lilies in the background?
And
Look!
Amy's.
Don't. Oh, my cat! I love my pretty cat.
Yeah. But yeah, 1 minute. So look at the instructions, that's what you should do anyway, I think. Specifications. Camera, stereo camera, camera range 30 centimeters, blah blah blah. You go what? Why? If you want to do a little unboxing?
Can you help?
Oh, hang on a minute.
Can you push me?
Hang on a minute. Aha! I think I found out you.
Just admit that was funny.
Possibly. Ah! Done it. The wire is supposed to go through a little hole, which should have been actually pretty simple. But yeah, it looks. This supposed to move by any chance? I guess it doesn't. It's supposed to move. But yeah, I see a box of this whole thing. But
Just admit your vlogs are better when I'm in them. And my cat.
the set camera into the stand and blah 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 blah. Push the basic. So I'm guessing you've got.
Shingles.
Right. That's how it's showing me to set it up. So the cable's like behind it like that. Anything else you want to show me? No, specifications on this are 1280 times 800 pixels times 2, so that's obviously cameras. 4-channel microphone array. Country of production in China.
You can tell that Ben spits and doesn't swallow.
Just ignore the wife. But yeah, that is the unboxing of PS4 camera, so I hope you enjoyed it.
Not hot.
Well guys, today on, what's the date today? The 4th of... The 4th.
No, the 4th. May the 4th. No, January the 4th.
The 4th?
It's the 4th. I get paid tomorrow.
4th of January today, and we have just reached, would you fuck off? We have just reached 800 subscribers. 80, oh my god, guys, I thank you so fucking much. I want to try and get to 1,000 by the end of this month. So, let's see if we can do this. So happy. You right?
Have you finished yet?
I'm going to try and do a jumper cam on the wife. So, she's at the bed brushing her teeth. She's upstairs, that's why I'm whispering. And I don't want to hear in this, so we're going to do a jump scare on the wife, or an attempted jump scare, right? So, see how this goes.
Ah, you prick!
You right?
You're an arsehole.
Do you know how long I've been waiting to do that jump scare for?
I wondered why you were being so silent. Like, there was definitely something going on with you. Because you're never normally that quiet.
It worked.